Shenzhen Icical Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of refrigerator door gasket, PVC profiles, and ancillary equipment. Are products used in household refrigerators, commercial freezers, disinfecting cabinets, cold storage, glass display cabinets, vending machines, wine cabinets, fresh air filtration equipment, haze purifiers, laboratory equipment. Currently, our company has thousands of modes or can be customized according to drawings or samples. We're located in Shenzhen. We're near the Shenzhen airport, adjacent to Hong Kong and Macau, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment including extrusion lines, magnetic machines, welding machines, and test machine. In addition, we have obtained C certificates, selling well in many cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Australia, Europe, Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
We can provide gasket products which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.